Okay, so I'm recording this video as per the request of the AliExpress seller. Everything is set up nicely. I have a water cooler, 1050 Ti here, 600 watts Corsair power supply. Everything is connected perfectly. Behind as well. Okay. So when I power it on, it's on. Okay. If I come here to the monitor, it will give the post beep. There it is. Okay, so now it showed image. It will probably enter the no. That happens because I had to turn it off and on multiple times. So again, let's see if it's gonna work. But usually it doesn't. On the first try at least. Okay, here comes the pose bip. And there's no image. See? No image. Everything should be working properly. Now, for it to work, I have to come back here, turn it off. So I have to hold the power button. Okay, it's off. Now I have to power it on, it back on. It's on again. Back to the screen. It will give the post bip. Here we go, post bip. Now we have image. This is the second time and I'm turning it on. Let's see if it's gonna work right now. Usually it shows the screen. And here we go. See? It's on, but again, there's no image. So I have to come back here for the third time and turn it off. And then turn it back on again. Usually the third time is when it works. So here we come again. There will be the pose beep. Here goes. Now it should display some image. There it is. Now usually it should work. Maybe it will enter recovery mode. Yeah, again. So I just reboot it normally. Now the third time should be the one that works. And every time I turn off my computer and I want to turn it back on the next day, I have to do this routine. I have to like power it on and off for 3 times before it actually works. Image. Okay. keyboard is okay. Here we go. Now it actually worked. So now usually I can enter the system and use normally during the day. It won't present any kind of issues. However, again, if I want to turn it off, like go to sleep, and the next day I want to turn it on again, I'll have to repeat the same routine.